Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here are going to show you or discuss with you how to use filter in Facebook Live. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're wondering how to exactly use filters here in Facebook Live, well, using one is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to go and open up Facebook here, and you want to go and click on the What's on Your Mind section. Now you want to go and scroll down back here and click on Live Video. And from here, as you can see, this is where we could actually go live. Now, before going live here, you could actually access a few things like yeah, flash off, mute mic, rotate, stickers, and hands off, and a lot more. Now, previously, depending on your account, the filters option may or may not be available in here. Again, this actually depends on your account. Some accounts have this one, but to be speaking, if you do see the filters option here or effects specifically, you could just click on it and basically choose the effect that you want to use for that specific live or for this specific live here. But once it's chosen that, you could go and click on go live here and start using it. Now, if you don't see it in your account here, well, unfortunately, Facebook may have turned that off for you and you won't be able to use it as of this moment. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.